Alright, what's poppin'? LA Cotty Tips here, and today what we're going to be talking about is uninstalling the rear sprocket and the whole rear sprocket assembly. Let's say if you want to replace it or if you will need to replace any parts, we're going to go through the whole, it's like 2 pages, but I'm going to do the read through just so you know where we're at in the workshop manual. I'm currently on page 599. Alright, let's get into it. Replace the rear sprocket. Remove the rear sprocket wheel. Loosen the 5 nuts represented by number 6 and slide out the rear sprocket represented by 7. So if you look at like this diagram picture, 6 are the nuts and 7 is the sprocket. And these numbers are being grouped together, so you just stay on track. Alright, let's keep going. Remove the rear sprocket's flange number 8 with pins number 9 and the vibration dampening pads number 10. So if we look at right here, we got the pins, we got the vibration dampening pads, and we have the flange represented by number 8. Now let's continue. If necessary, remove the snap rings represented by number 11. So they're talking about that snap ring. Bearings represented by here number 12, and then the little spacer represented by 13, which is the smallest part, and the bearing represented by 14, which goes inside this flange. Remove spacer 15, seal 16, and bearing 17 from the rim number 18. So if you see right here, the rims is labeled number 18, but these are the 3 bearings and spacers that they need you to remove. Once you remove all of this, you'll have a brand new bare tire, and you can start putting in a brand new rear sprocket assembly. That's pretty much the video. I hope you learned. These were tips for the 2015 821 Ducati Monster. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you a lot, I guess. Alright, for sure. Quick.